Hi, and welcome to using Localvolts energy retailer in Strata. Now, there's a problem that's been identified by Tim Prosser, who is in a Strata complex consisting of 7 townhouses. And that is, if you're looking at the solar production profile of, say, a 26 kilowatt shared solar system across 7 townhouses, and you're looking at the combined consumption profile of those 7 townhouses, they don't actually match up very well across the course of the 12 months of the year. So in this graph, you can see the solar production from a communal shared solar system is in the yellow, and the purple has the consumption in aggregate of the 7 townhouses throughout the 12 months. If you run the numbers as Tim Prosser has, you'll find that over the course of the year, a 26 kilowatt shared solar system would actually export 68% of the solar that's produced back into the grid. And that's not a very good thing because you don't get paid very well for selling excess solar into the grid. Anyway, you can follow up more on this terrific article that he wrote on his Medium blog post. Now, what's the capability that Localvolts, this new energy retailer, brings to solving the problem? So they are an energy retailer, which means you have to switch your energy bill to this energy retailer exclusively. But what Localvolts allows people to do if they've got solar or batteries connected to a meter in the national electricity market or on the eastern seaboard of Australia, that person can nominate other people that they can sell their excess solar to. And you can sell that excess solar to those other people at a price which is higher than that you would get for selling your feed in yourself, like higher than 7 cents, but maybe lower than what they're paying for importing their electricity from the grid. Maybe they're paying 35, 40 cents, something like that. So there are a couple of new possibilities which this opens up for Strata. First, if you have a strata complex, like a townhouse complex, where a couple of people have solar, but not everyone, perhaps those people that do have solar could sell their excess to other people in that strata community. If you've got an owners corporation which has a common area solar system with some excess solar, it could potentially sell that to one or more units inside the apartment building that opted in voluntarily to join Localvolts as their energy retailer. Or if you had a shared solar system using, say, a Loom Energy Soul Share that was only connected up to a subset of all the lots within the strata scheme, those meters that are connected up might be able to sell their excess solar to other strata lots within the same strata scheme that aren't connected to the Illum Soul Share, but might want to switch to Localvolts as their energy retailer. So a couple of diagrams. Here is a diagram of 2 units within a strata complex of 4 units. And 2 of the units have individual solar systems, and all 4 units are signed up, and the common areas is also signed up to Localvolts as an energy retailer. And the 2 units which have solar and they've got some excess solar are actually selling that solar to the 2 other units that don't have solar and to the common areas. Okay, let's have a look at another scenario. So this is where you've got the common areas with its own solar system, and the common areas is signed up to Localvolts, and just 2 out of the 4 units in this complex are also signed up with Localvolts. And as an owners corporation, sell your excess solar to those 2 units within the complex which are signed up to Localvolts rather than them buying from the grid. Or a third scenario. So in this scenario, we've got a strata complex consisting of 4 units and a common areas. And 3 of the units and the common areas are connected to an Illum Soul Share, and they're doing solar sharing. But the excess solar that can't be used by the 3 units on the Soul Share or the common areas can be nominated to be sold to the fourth unit that isn't connected to a Loom Soul Share but is signed up on Local Volts. Is this the start of a new paradigm in how we sell energy between common areas and units within stratas inside Australia? Let's see. It's exciting.